Welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. Another day, another sunny day, and time for a Parks on the Air activation. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India, and this is Park Lima Alpha 2532, my usual, let's call it my home park. Behind me is the town of Halden, and right over there is Joachim, LB4 Lima India. We're doing a Parks on the Air activation, testing the same antenna as in the last video, the 20-meter vertical, and see if that works. Beautiful sunny day, poor solar conditions, so let's see how this goes. As of the setup of today, the usual X6100, and right over here we have the 20-meter vertical binding post antenna that I've shown in another video. Pretty simple in its design, but efficient. So let's do this the usual way. I'll call CQs, you look at the scenery, and we'll see how it goes. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India with side operator calling CQ Parks on the Air for Park Lima Alpha 2532, Park Lima Alpha 2532, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the Air. Sierra Papa 8 Quebec Charlie, good afternoon Andy. You're about a 5 and 7, 57 here today, over.
Good afternoon, Northern, 5 by 5, QSL.
QSL, please stand by for side operator Andy.
Sierra Papa 8 Quebec Charlie, this is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India portable.
Yours at Parks on the Air, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India with side operator. Mike 0 Tango Tango Quebec, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Stuart. 5 and 3, 53 today. Are you on an activation today, over?
No, I'm at home. Just got back. You're 5 and 5, 55, but I just worked kettle on 40 meters, so that's interesting. One thing you both done after the other, over.
Yeah, Roger, I just got a text from him saying that it's activating there, so we'll see if we can get a park to park. I got a second operator here for you, Stuart. Please stand by.
Yeah, Mike 0 Tango Tango Quebec, this is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India portable, and my name is Joachim, sitting next to Morten there. QSL?
Yeah, very good. Also 5 and 5, 55 to the south of England. Thank you both for the activation. And have a great afternoon over there. I hope you've got a lovely sunny weather with you. Mike 0 Tango Quebec.
Yeah, thank you for helping to activate, and thank you for the 5 and 5.
QRZ Parks on the Air, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the Air.
Mike 0 India Charlie Romeo.
Mike 0 India Charlie Romeo, QSL.
Roger.
Thank you, Carl. 5 and 9 today at Park Lima Alpha 2532, QSL.
QSL, thank you for the park. You're a lovely signal here, 5-9, and good luck with the activation, 7-3.
Yeah, thank you. Please stand by for second operator, Carl. I got a second operator here.
Mike 0 India Charlie Romeo, this is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. I'm sitting next to Morten and sharing his radio, QSL.
Roger, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India, thank you very much indeed. You're 5-9, 59 into London, QSL.
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 9 from London there. You're 5 and 9 also here in southern Norway. Thanks for helping to activate 73s.
For the activation, 7-3.
QRZ Parks on the Air, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. For hvor lange master det er? Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. I was just wondering where you were. None of the usual people have been responding today. Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. 5 and 9 today, and I also have a side operator here, Don.
Roger there. Good afternoon to you there. No, conditions are up and down. Some we're here and some we're not. So thanks for the 5-9. You're 5 and 7 to me. And for the club call, Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie, 5 and 7 also there, Roger.
Roger, Mike 0, Oscar, Mike, Charlie, and 5 and 7 with that as well. And please stand by for second operator there, Don. Please stand by.
Roger, thank you. Yeah, second operator, go ahead.
Yeah, Golf Zero Romeo Quebec Lima. This is Lima Bravo for Lima India, sharing Morton's radio today for the activation there. You're 5 and 9 into southern Norway there. Over.
9 Alpha, stroke, Kilo 0, Bravo, Alpha, Kilo.
9 Alpha, stroke, and there was an American call sign. Please come again.
9 Alpha, stroke, Kilo 0, Bravo, Alpha, Kilo. Over.
9 Alpha, stroke, Kilo 0, Bravo, Alpha, Kilo. 5 and 9 at Park Lima Alpha 2532, QSL.
QSL, please copy 5-8 from Croatia. Thank you for the new park and the new country in POTA, 73.
Thank you, and please stand by for second operator there. One moment.
9 Alpha stroke Kilo 0 Bravo Alpha Kilo. This is Lima Bravo for Lima India. Lima Bravo for Lima India. Same park, we're sharing the radio here, QSL.
Roger, Lima Bravo 4, Lima India. This is 9 Alpha, stroke, Kilo 0, Bravo, Alpha, Kilo. Please copy 5-8 from Croatia. Thanks for the second contact.
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 8 from Croatia. Nice to hear you, and thanks for helping to activate 73s.
73.
Not the greatest activation of all time, but all right for the solar conditions, and it's been a contest weekend. 12 in the log in about 40 minutes, so not a high point, but I mean every activation counts, and now I'm only one activation short of a repeat offender activation in this park. So one more activation and I'll get my first repeat offender award. I'm closing in on my kilo. I got about 560, 550, 560 contacts in the log now, so a little bit more than halfway there, but this is going to be my first kilo park, and then we'll work our way from there. Weather's improving, so there's a lot more parks waiting to be activated now. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, there are a couple of ways down below. You can either buy me a coffee or support the channel on Patreon. And until next time, 7-3.